Greetings, welcome back to Pink Oddbird. Today I'm here to share these two cute little mini journals with you, so let's go ahead and get started. I made these two super cute little tiny journals. They measure 5 1/4 by 3 3/4, and the spine is 2 1/4. And they're pretty much identical. There's just a few different papers on the insides of them. So I just wanted to come and do a little flip through of these with you. So we'll start with this one. And I do just want to mention, I did use some digitals from Calico Collage, Tsunami Rose, TaylorMadeJournals, and Mrs. Cog. And I believe those are the only ones that I used. And I ordered these on Etsy through TaylorMadeJournals, and they're so cute. You get so many, and these are actually small. I printed these out to be small because these journals are little. However, there are also regular sized bits of ephemera, and all of this comes in one kit. So you get tons and tons and tons of Halloween ephemera. So I'm going to save some of this for my October daily. And then the Mrs. Cog's words and phrases for Halloween. I use some of these in my books as well, and these are really cute. She's given lots of like Halloween related words and also some quotes and stuff, and I think these are super duper fun little elements to add into your books. So I will link all of the kits that I've used in the description box below. I've just used seam binding as the closure. They are hardcover books, and on the back I just have a little piece of trim there. And then if you open the book, the image on the spine is one from the paper pad that I used, and you can see it's a little skeleton guy. He's fixing his bow tie. And I did put some eyelets in for the closure, so it has a little bit of structure. And then I just did a little bit of collaging here on the front cover with some Halloween colored stuff, a couple of buttons, and then I also attached a jump ring to the cover on both, and they both have the same little skull charm. There are 4 signatures in each of the books, and so there's about 128 to 130 pages inside of these. So I'm flipping through kind of quickly because, like I said, they're the same. I did do stenciling. I used some stickers, a little bit of stamping. Oh, these Mother Goose. These are little poems from Mother Goose, okay? So if you see what some of these poems say, it might be a little shocking because I'm like, these are children's books? And there's some, silk, and this is one of Daisy's printables. And I shrunk this down so for it to print out as a 5x7. This is a Calico Collage here from her hollowed felines, and then these are also a Mrs. Cog shop, and you can find those there as well. I'll link it down below. I have just attached this little tag here with a brad so it swings around. I did purple stenciling. This is more Tsunami Rose. I think her kits come out so cute when you shrink them down. There's some more textile. This is a little tuck spot. This is just a little scrap pad of paper. A little bit of lace. There's some of those little words. I made altered paper clips out of my stickers, the foam stickers that I have. And then this is one of the pieces of the Halloween ephemera. I have another piece here on the back. Just made a tag out of the paper. It's hollowed felines. There's another one of those poems, but if you can see what it says. Tsunami Rose kit. There's a little flip out here. Sorry Silk, and then I have a little Tim Holtz charm, and this one says Fright. This Halloween is also a digi, and I'll link it below, but I really was feeling like the plaid look for Halloween, so I really wanted to add that into my books. So a little boo there, another page from the kit. Some lace up there, another piece of ephemera, another altered paper clip, and there's one of these in each signature, so there's a total of 4 in each book. There's a little graphic 45 ephemera, and some more from the TaylorMade kit. This is just a little Hermelinda tag that I made out of coffee paper, so more writing space. I love this little witch paper. It's hard to tell if I'm skipping pages because these pages are so tiny. There's a little tuck spot here. Little Halloween stamp. A little tag here, and some more ephemera, little pumpkin guy. Inside of the envelope there's a little witch, and then also behind the envelope there's a little secret pocket here so you can tuck some things. A little bit of fabric. I used Tim Holtz washi in here as well. So I was going to use this as a little Rita flip somewhere in the book, but I decided to leave it, you know, just loose so you can write in it or you can glue it down, whatever you want to do with it. And this is the last signature. There's another Mrs. Coggs image here and Tsunami Rose. So here I attached a little eyelet, and there's a little Tim Holtz spider charm. This is some cool wallpaper I have. These books are so cute, and I think they're so fun because they're so small. They're perfect for if you have like a selfie printer, like one of those printers that prints pictures from your phone. These are the perfect size little books where you can glue pictures in over some of the little Halloween pages in here. So I think that would be so cute. Or even if you need to, you know, get some tickets and stuff like that in here, and you don't need like a whole big book, you know. Pretty cute. Dead ringer. I don't know, you guys. I'm super excited for Halloween. As you can tell, my channel is totally switching into Halloween gear. And then I put one of her little quotes on the back of each of the books. And yeah, so that's this one. So I will flip through the other one quickly. I don't really know how to differentiate these. Maybe, oh, I can differentiate them by these little, so this one will be bow tie book, and this one will be spiderweb collar. So same idea on this one. It's just got the seam binding closure collage on the front with different elements. And then, like I said, this one will be called spiderweb collar because that's what he's wearing. Has the same elements, the little charm here. And oh, when you open this one, I think it's so cute. There's a little cat and a spider right there. All right, so there's another one of those Mother Goose poems. Those are, I was kind of surprised by those. But they were perfect for these books because, you know, they're not like, oh gosh, you know, gory, but they're spooky enough to put in a Halloween book, I think. But yeah, you can see they're pretty similar. I used all of the same like kits and papers and paper pack as well. Super fun. Lots of Halloween colors in here, the traditional Halloween style. This little charm says Spirit. There's the wallpaper, Graveyard Shift. That's Daisy's paper. Some ribbon that I found at the thrift. There's the Graphic 45. A couple pieces of ephemera here. I love this paper so much. Definitely going to be using more of that. And a flip out. That's in the Belfry. Belfry? Belfry. Belfry. And the last signature. Shadows. This one has Tim Holt's little owl. It's the owl charm. I don't know. These books are so cute to me. They will be listed up in my Etsy shop, or actually they're already listed in my Etsy shop. So if you're interested in one of these, you can pop over there and take a look at them. But yeah, I'm super happy with the way these turned out. I really just wanted to take those Halloween kits that I had and just break them down into smaller sizes and see how they would turn out. And I'm so happy. And I haven't made books this small for a while, for a long while. But they're so cute when they're small, I think. So yeah, so if you're interested in one of these, you can definitely check out my Etsy shop while they are there. And when they're not there, they won't be. And if you guys are participating in the October Daily, I definitely want to remind you that there will be a video coming this weekend with the first week's prompts. So if you guys want to get a little head start or start getting some ideas or inspiration on what your first week of October Daily is going to be like, that video will be live this weekend and you'll get the first set of prompts. And then I will, like I said, check in with you guys twice a week and show you guys what my progress is so far, and hopefully maybe give you guys some more ideas and inspiration on how we are getting through our October Daily. So, all right. I think that is going to wrap it up for me for now. Be sure to stay tuned because you never know what direction this odd flock of ours is heading into. And until next time, toodaloo.